错不懂浪漫，我不懂爱，只会用装酷的手插口袋。偶尔暗中观察你的动态，我总喜欢留下一片空白。迈步，迈步，气风低潮像是比赛。你迈呼，迈呼，这里不能没有你在。说我总是打碎你的期待 ，OK 我也无法抵赖。说我坏小子，我死性不改，我的真心千金不卖。迈步，迈步，今晚 party 不要离开。你迈呼，迈呼，我 homie swag from 迪拜。莫妮卡不爱做摩托 ，Key out 不爱吃火锅。有时莫名其妙落寞。得到有时一无所获，有时你真的很啰嗦，明明早就跟你说过，是我太冲动，是我错，我一天只闭关锁国，一颗流星划过月光在楼顶洒落，你说臭，逼得我比平时柔情得多，冷战游戏把我坏脾气重新打磨，轻轻把手心划破，提醒我用心把握，在丛林里头答应你从今以后都一起走，带你去熟悉地球，你舔你的头 OK 我牵你的手，你要的甜蜜的 flow 我不当骗你的狗，迈步迈步，起风地上像是比赛，你迈呼迈呼，这里不能没有你在，迈步迈步，今晚 party 不要离开，你迈呼迈呼 ，homie swag from 迪拜。你让我有点孤独，讨厌独处，有时无助。简单的有你陪我，平平凡凡，缝缝补补。情话我总是说的吞吞吐吐，只是无辜，分分不顾，辛辛苦苦，我的心。
Yo, 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 yo. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everyone? Hope you're doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. We've got Yakin here. What's up, brother? Yeah, all good, all good. Can't complain. Lama. Good morning, good morning. Guys. What is happening? What is happening with this market? Crazy market, crazy market. But we managed to get quite a good trade this morning. I'm personally still in this ICP trade. Currently up from this entry, we are up around about almost 2%. Almost 2%. And guys, I want to show you guys something. So I have started the challenge. So it's a 2,000 to 10K challenge. So I'll show you guys. Let me just log into my CoinW. And yeah, we can get in this. I'll show you what I'm looking at. But yeah, I'm starting a 2K to 10K challenge. We are up around about 5% on the account. But I'll show you. Let me just log in here. Okay, so we are up around about 5% on the account. We started this on Tuesday. Up around about $100 on this. And what you guys doing here? What do you mean, brother? Yeah, so we started this account on, I think it was Tuesday. Yeah, literally 2 days ago. So we up 5% on this. We up 5% on this account, and I want to be growing it with you guys. All the trades that I did take were showed in the live, in the channel. So these are all the trades, guys. I'm keeping it small, right? We want to grow this at like a steady rate. So we took some L's today. We took a loss over there. Some nice L's overall. So we're keeping it really, really steady here, guys. So yeah, so I want to be transparent with this amount. We will be growing this amount together, potentially on this live stream as well. So if you guys want to stay up to date with this account, we're gonna try to push this try to get this to like 5K. I think 10K is a little bit ambitious, but once we get to 5K, we can probably get it to 10K. So yeah, so let's see what happens, guys. It's going to be quite interesting to see if we can get a push. So we up 5%. We up 5% on the count. We're going to try to push that to 5K within the next couple of weeks. We will see if we can get it. We will see if we can get it. So it'll be interesting if we can, right? It'll be interesting if we can. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Are you guys going to do this challenge with me? It doesn't have to be 2K. You don't have to have 2K in your amount. You can start with any amount. But yeah, all the trades that I did take were posted. All the trades that I did post were on the scalp trading. So if you guys are new to CoinW, make sure you guys do join. The link is in the description of the video. You can find. I have my own channel over here. Oh my god, I didn't change it. But yeah, so this is going to be the game plan. Nice thing with CoinW, you can actually also, it shows you all your you can see your orders over here. It's just loading at the minute. Yeah, I took most of my profits off here for some reason. I'm only in 3. So I took most of it at like 31%. I'm just letting this run. I mean, it's only a $3 margin on this one, but we'll see if we can maybe get this down. I mean, if this goes to 100%, I'm only making $3 on this trade. But this is the main thing that I want to teach you guys is always secure your profits, right? Just secure them. There's no point. We secured 2 times 10 and 13, so up like 23 on that. This is just to show you guys if we do eventually get TP or whatever. But anyway, that's just going to be transparent with you guys. Let's go. I just got an added account to awesome guys. So yeah, we're going to try to flip this account. Matt and Boris are going to be doing the same. But yeah, I'm more of a scalper, so you'll be able to my balance will change quite a lot. But we'll see how it goes, guys. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's talk about Bitcoin. Remember today, I'm looking at some sell positions, guys. If you guys watched my video this morning, I did actually post a video this morning. You guys must watch it after this. I do need to change my thumbnails, to be honest with you. My thumbnails, I do need to change how they look, but I just don't have the time, to be fair. Like, I need to just get someone to do it. Okay. So anyway, make sure you guys watch that video after this. It's quite a cool video to watch, but I'll probably just explain it here. So, guys, Bitcoin, to be fair, Bitcoin, to be honest with you, still holding, which is fine, right? If we look at the daily time frame, guys, Bitcoin is targets for Bitcoin. Let's have a look here. I'm looking for 54,900 and 50,800 level for Bitcoin target. How far Bitcoin can dump more, we're going to go over that. My biggest enemy is the greed and the FOMO. Yeah, I think that's everyone. Yeah? Honestly, I think that's everyone. But we're going to speak about it, guys. So the most important level for Bitcoin right now is this current level, right? This daily support over here. So guys, the reason why it's so important is because if we do something here, I love to use this tool, the fixed range volume profile, right? I love to use this tool, and bang, we take it from this level here to the current point, and we can see that this level here, the daily support, we have to hold this level if we want to be bullish, guys. We have to hold this level here if we want to be bullish, and if we can close below here, that'll be amazing, right? You can see that the 4-hour time frame is struggling as well, right? So once this 4-hour candle closes below this level here, because all our moving averages are pointing in the downward direction. So these are all pointing in the downward direction. And you know what's interesting is that in the video I posted this morning, is that we're getting the cross, right? The cross of the moving averages, right? So this 200-day moving average and the 21-day moving average is crossing bearish, which is not a good sign, guys. This is not looking good. And you can see that the point of control, which is this level over here, this red line, the point of control is obviously getting respected. Okay, so 59,400 is 59,300 around about this level, still getting rejected. So it's just, there's nothing bullish about this, right? The more times we hit this level here, the more probable we're going to see a break. So if we look at the 4-hour time frame, we come back, you can see that if we take the fib from this low over here to the high, we got a beautiful rejection from the 58,400. I mean, that would have been the entry. Did actually miss that one, but anyway, you can see that we are coming down, making lower lows, lower highs. Right now, we can see that on the lower time frame, like the 1 hour and the 30 minutes, we can see that we have a bit of resistance over here. Bang, right over here, we have a bit of resistance. You can actually bring this to the left if we just extend this. Let's extend this to the left. You can see that. Beautiful, right? This is a strong zone, guys. On the lower time frames, this is a strong zone. So we're gonna have to watch this carefully. This 57,300, and I can guarantee you, if we have a look at Bookmap, I can guarantee you that this is going to be a really strong zone. Check at this. 57,250, 57,300. Those are the sell zones for the day, right? And that's exactly what we got on the charts over here, 250. So you can see how the Bookmap works with resistance and support, right? Sorry, someone's phoning me. Someone's phoning me. Hold on, someone's phoning me on Telegram. Let's have a look at SWI and OTC. Okay, someone's phoning me. Okay, so did you guys hear what I'm saying? So what I'm saying is that this level, guys, for Bitcoin at least, I mean, other coins may be pumping right now, but Bitcoin, we can't really take a long unless we close above this point, right? So if we can close above this point today, then cool. Like we can take longs on the shorter time frame, right? But because right now it's just not valid to take a long when we are trading at such a strong zone, right? The 57,250 and the 57,300 zone, it's super strong, super strong. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see if we can just close above that zone today. We'll see if we can get that, of course. But I don't think we will. Maybe we might, but it's just, I don't know, this daily support, guys, something's telling me that we're going to see a break of this daily support today at around about 57K. I mean, if we can close bearish below here today, I do think that we can take sells. I thought other alts follow Bitcoin. No, normally they do, but I'll explain this. Obviously, we'll look at altcoins now. I just wanted to explain my thoughts on Bitcoin. Manuel says, I thought other alts follow Bitcoin. That is true, majority of them, right? But sometimes you get like narratives like GameFi, you get narratives like AI. Sometimes these coins pump depending on certain results, like Nvidia. If Nvidia, which is a stock related to AI, if that starts to pump, then we'll probably see most of those alts start to pump, like the AI. So let's talk about that flow. So what you want to do is you want to look at Bitcoin dominance. Let's actually have a look at Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance. We've been speaking about Bitcoin dominance for way too long, and have a look at this. So we've been speaking about this massive trend line here. And what's important to note for Bitcoin dominance is that, guys, Bitcoin dominance needs to dump in order for the altcoins to pump, right? Is that true? Yes, it is true. But I'm not saying that some alts can't pump, right? Some alts can definitely pump. But Bitcoin dominance is still at this high, guys. And it's starting to form like a little bit of a wedge pattern, which is quite interesting. But we need to see some type of reaction. We're not really seeing. Let me just remove this thing because it's annoying me. We're still seeing this channel, right? If we can break through this channel within the next couple of days, we're going to see a massive altcoin move, right? So we need Bitcoin dominance to start getting rejected, but it's not really showing signs of rejection just yet, which is making me feel like, okay, the altcoin rally is it's going to only come a little bit later, right? So Bitcoin dominance still showing a bit of strength, which is something to look at. And also, what you want to look at is you want to have that in correlation with the total three, right? This is going to be the most important, right? And I've been speaking about this for multiple times, and bang, we got that rejection from yesterday. Remember, I was speaking about the zone over here, 525. This is the zone, right? How do we find the zone? So remember, this chart over here shows you the market cap of all the altcoins, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So what is happening in this chart? Let me just remove everything so it looks a little bit nicer. We are still trading within this little box over here, and only once we start to break out over here, guys, we're getting close, right? We're getting close. Bang, we're getting really close. Once we start to break out of this massive down sloping trend line, then cool. We can definitely take some longs for alts, and that's when we're going to see that 40 to 100% pump in alts. So we're coming close. I mean, if you guys need to stay in crypto for the next 2 months, trust me. If you stay in crypto from now on to the next 2 months, and you can start accumulating some altcoins now, like every week, you should be sorted. Okay, so total three. Let's have a look at this on the daily. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to see where the key levels are. So you want to take the Fibonacci from this low to this high. You can see we bounced perfectly from the 618 yesterday, which is why we are seeing a bit of an altcoin bounce from yesterday, which is why we are seeing a bit of an altcoin bounce from yesterday. Sure, I'll go through INJ and Manta, definitely. Okay, so if we look at the 4 hour, the 1 hour, we are seeing a bit of a bounce maybe, but to be fair, 4 hour time frame could potentially still come down. Okay, so just watching this right now, it's not looking bullish. It's more on the bearish side still. We are still trading below these key moving averages. We need to see this start to do something like this, right? But it's not really showing that right now. Okay, so let's have a look at your coins. So let's go to Litecoin first, and then we'll go through Sui, and then a bit of some other coins. So Litecoin, I think, yeah, Litecoin's breaking out. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, do you guys remember we took those Litecoin shorts the other day? And look at this. It's breaking out of this massive trend line, guys. This is crazy. Okay, this is crazy. This is I'll go over XRP as well. I'll also go over XRP. No worries. Just give me a bit of time here. So yeah, have a look at Litecoin. Oof. Okay, so Litecoin's breaking out in the daily time frame. This is really bullish for Litecoin. We're starting to close above these averages over here, these moving averages. We're probably going to see a $74 Litecoin maybe the next couple of days. But let's have a look at the lower time frames here. So the 4 hour time frame, we have to take note that here we go, bang, resistance over here, support over here, support over here, support over here, resistance over here, and we close respecting resistance. So this could just be a fake out, guys, for Litecoin. This could definitely just be a fake out for Litecoin. So just be careful. I don't know. What I would wait for is I wouldn't enter Litecoin here. What I would wait for is a potential drop back down to these key levels. Yeah, so I'll be looking to long Litecoin over here. So I'm going to put an alert for Litecoin at this point. Remember, Litecoin is pumping right now, but we at a rejection zone. So I'd wait for Litecoin to, you can look at it, maybe a 12% move here, but I don't know. Not really interested in longing, but I mean, if it comes down, we can get a rejection, we close bullish, then I'll definitely look at a long here for Litecoin, just to hedge the current position that I'm in on for a short, right? So Litecoin looking decent, guys. Litecoin looking decent. So we've got alerts there. Right now, we had resistance. We had a 4 hour resistance. We had a daily resistance. Is it valid to take longs now? No, definitely not. Right. So what are the other coins? We've got SUI here, SUI, bang. SUI, let's have a look at SUI. SUI is pumping right now, but same thing as Litecoin. Remember, we're looking at SUI yesterday, and I was saying that we're not really closing above these levels, right? Yeah, I mean, to be fair, Swee's looking quite good. We still need to see like let's have a look at the daily. Daily, like look how strong this level is on the daily, guys. It's super strong on the daily. So like for me to take it long for Sweet, it just doesn't make sense, right? It doesn't make sense right now because we add a resistance. So I mean, you technically just want to be shorting this, to be fair. But let's have a look. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. So how do we know if we want to short this level? If this is just a fake out? So I'll go down to like the lower time frames, right? Let me just remove this. Bang. So we have huge resistance here, guys. This is such a strong level. I think we have a look at the lower time frame. Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll go in like the 5 minutes or like even the 1 minute here, and I'll start to see a bit of structural break. So what I want to see. Okay, so I'll go to the 1 minute time frame. And what I want to see is potentially if we can take out this low over here for the day. So this is your 1 minute, like your 1 minute range. So I'll be looking at a 1 minute low here. So what I would wait for is I'd wait for something like this to happen. If we can take out this low, come back up here, then we take shorts, something like that. But until then, not really interested in that. But I will be interested if we can take out this low for Sweet. Then we can look for some shorts because we had a 4 hour resistance, right? And a daily resistance. And if Bitcoin dumps there, then I do think that this is just going to get rejected. Okay. So we'll see. I'm liking today though. I feel like we're going to get, if we get a trade today, we're going to get quite a big move, which is quite nice. So yeah, make sure you guys stay up to date with what's happening because it's going to be quite crazy. Okay. So, Sweet, it could break out. On the alternative point of view, I need this to flip bullish. So because we're at a rejection zone right now, I do need this to flip bullish. But right now, I want to see if we can maybe break this low over here on the lower time frames. That'll be amazing. Yeah, I want to see if that's the case. We did actually break it, but see, like the 1 minute time frame is kind of useful, guys. To be completely honest with you, I like using the 1 minute to get entries. So I want to see if we can take out this low, come back up, flip bullish. Sorry, flip bearish. Okay. So if you guys did just join, we are doing a challenge 2K to 10K. We are up 5% on the account, 5.2% on the account. We started on Tuesday, so we're up 5%. So if we got this rate, we can do like 5% in 2 days, 10% 4 days. Yeah, we can get there really, really quickly if we can go at this rate. But like I said, it's not guaranteed. But we are doing this challenge. Every trade that I take in the signals, I will take on this account. Okay. So every single trade that I take on my signals channel, the scalp channel, I will take on this account just for transparency, just so you guys know. Okay, so Sweet, interesting setup. We'll definitely look at this. We're going to put an alert here to see if we can break this low. That would be amazing. Not really interested in taking along when we add resistance. Okay. What other trades you guys are looking at? Let's have a look. I feel like Bitcoin will dump tonight based on the news. Oh, you are right. What's happening tonight? Let's have a look at news. Thursday. Unemployment claims, bang. And we do have news tonight. Yeah, and market structure is bearish, guys. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Market structure is bearish. Last night we had a little pump just to trap everyone again. So it's just one of those things. Okay, so Sweet, I'm liking this. If we can this is going to be a great setup. I can already see it. I can already see the setup happening in my mind. But we'll see if we can get that. Maybe. What other trades you guys are looking at? So we're looking at NFP tomorrow, guys. NFP tomorrow is gonna be crazy. NFP tomorrow is gonna be absolutely crazy, guys. But let's see what happens. So we've got Litecoin and Sui. We spoke about Litecoin, looking at those longs, potentially. Litecoin, but I want to see a retracement because we had a daily resistance. we're at a daily resistance, guys. So I want to see if we can maybe come down a little bit. Someone asking what's happening with Floki. But let's INJ and Manta. So we've got INJ, Manta, and then XRP. Okay, let's have a look at INJ. I actually don't really trade this coin too much. You know, to be honest with you guys, you know how hard it is to track all these coins. Like, it's like almost impossible. But this is why we do live streams, so you guys can help me track it. It does help when you guys bring out some coins to look at, because it definitely makes me look at coins that I wouldn't really look at on a regular basis. Okay, look at the weekly time frame for INJ. Bang. I mean, we closed below support over here. What we normally see is we normally see a 50% retracement. Normally, not always, but normally see a 50% retracement back up to these highs over here. So we're going to have that in mind. If we look at the daily time frame closed nicely, a bullish engulfing candle, which is good. We are respecting support over here. Let's look at the lower time frames, like the 4-hour. The 4-hour time frame is showing a nice structure. This is actually a bullish structure, although it's been a bit of a chop. This type of candlestick structure is bullish. When we close bearish and then we close a candle like this, this is actually quite nice. So we'll see. INJ kind of looking good. Ooh, here we go. I can already see a trade. Okay, let's have a look at the 30 minutes. Yeah, I mean, look at this. It's printing. Okay, so if you have a look at this, guys. So right now, this INJ. You guys are operating. Just keep on giving me some coins, because this is nice. It helps me as well go over coins that I wouldn't look at. So if we look at INJ, we're actually seeing a bit of a breakout pattern forming over here on the lower time frames. Bit of a triangle pattern. This is actually looking really decent. I'm maybe expecting a bit of a move up before we see a move down here, guys. If you look at INJ, this is nice. This is actually really clean. And remember, taking trades on lower time frames, it doesn't mean I'm bullish or bearish. We're scalping the market right now. So if we break out over here for INJ, we can take a quick buy, right? Although I'm quite bearish on the daily time frame for most coins, we can definitely take a quick buy. INJ looking absolutely beautiful, yeah. Okay, so INJ looking absolutely beautiful. Yeah, look at this. I'm liking this. I have quite a lot of wicks over here, though. We could potentially maybe take out, we have support over here, which is something we can't ignore. Bang, right over here. Yeah, this is a strong zone. It might be a short-term trade, to be fair. But nevertheless, if we can get a breakout here, we can maybe get it set up with a stop over here. I mean, it's only around about 1.69%. So you're going to have to go like a 20x leverage, which is fine. But if we can break this low over here today, guys, I'm going full short, full DJ down to these lows. But we'll see. This is cool. I like the setup for INJ. It does seem pretty decent. If we can break out of this little wedge. I'll be looking at a long. But remember always to stay neutral on the market, right? Because some coins will rip, some coins will dump. It's just how crypto goes. It's hard to, but I'll be looking at both of these setups today. To be fair, I'd prefer to short today, but you know what I mean. It's one of the things. So looking at a potential long on the breakout here, potentially. So we're going to look at this. We're going to add an alert there, bang, and then we're going to add an alert a little bit lower down over here, bang. Okay. So let's see. We got two setups here, almost ready for INJ. It looks like it's about to do something. We could get rejected over here, which is where we're going to look for sells. But if we break out, we're definitely going to look for a buy. Staying neutral is definitely going to be the way. Okay. INJ looks good. Okay, so what's happening? INJ, what else do we have? We have Floki, Solana, XRP. Awesome, guys. Keep them coming. Let's have a look at Solana quickly. I'm ready for this trade here, guys, for SWE. Remember, If we can break this low and then come back up, retest, bit of a 1 minute trade here. So if we can do something like this, come back up, retest, we can take sales a little bit later on. So we're going to watch out for that. There's going to be a lot of trades that I'm going to be looking at today because the market's kind of doing things. Solana looking absolutely, Solana's absolutely looking bullish today. This was the trade that I was looking at yesterday. I didn't take it because I just it wasn't valid, but it was the idea. But it kind of looking like it's invalidated right now. We've actually broken above this level. Solana looking absolutely strong, to be fair. Looking at the 1 hour. Yeah, look at this. Solana's looking good, guys. We might even get a pump for some coins there. Oof. Okay. I'm liking this for Solana. I think we're going to get a rip here for Solana today. I'm going to be looking at it long. I'm very neutral on the market. When I take a trade, that I post in the scalp channel, that is for that coin. Like this trade for ICP today is only for ICP. So don't be like, market's bullish today, but I'm taking sells on ICP, right? It doesn't matter. ICP is getting rejected, right? And if I'm looking for longs on other coins, it's fine. Market moves in that type of direction. So, ICP still looks like it could come down, right? Whereas Solana looks like it might break out. So it's fine. We're in this trade because of multiple reasons, and I explained it. So if I'm looking at a long for and I'm looking at a long for, what's it called, Litecoin or something like that, it's fine. It doesn't mean that it's not going to play out. It just means that the altcoins are just diverging from one another, right? So it's fine. So if you guys understand that, just scalping I'm not really swing trading, you know what I mean? So we're taking trades quickly in and out, something like that. Okay, so Solana looking good. I'm going to be looking at this today. Add an alert for Solana. Boom, 134. When you see a break of that level, that'll be amazing. What other charts we got looking at? Can you see where prices bounce hard? That's you can see where prices bounce hard. That is usually support. Yes. Oh, Emmanuel is looking at how do you set up supports? Okay. Well, I'll go over that just now. Okay, we got Floki and Dogecoin. I think let's go over Dogecoin quickly, because a lot of people have asked for that. But yeah, I think Solana. I mean, yeah, it's gonna be interesting, guys. It's gonna be interesting. NFP tomorrow. NFP, guys, it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna stream. What time's NFP? Let's have a look. Maybe I should just stream NFP tomorrow. But we normally get trades. Maybe I'll do 2 streams tomorrow. I'll think about it. Maybe do 2 trades tomorrow. 2 streams tomorrow. Okay, let's go back. Dogecoin. So remember yesterday we were speaking about a short for Dogecoin from this low, but we didn't get it. I remember speaking about it because I want to see a full of this wick and the point of control at this level. Super strong support over here. Super strong. But right now not really valid. I wanted to see like a breakdown, but we're not really getting it. Most coins are doing the same thing, guys. Most coins are doing the same thing. They're showing this 1 hour structure, like this breakout type of structure, which is making me a little bit skeptical. This type of structure over here. But what I'll be looking at for Dogecoin today is, let's have a look at the lower time frames. Bang. Yeah. We are still, it's still quite bearish. We have to break above these highs for us to be bullish. Yeah, so if Dogecoin can break below here, I'll be looking at a sell probably from here. And if we can just test these lows today, that'll be amazing. So this is going to be the setup. I'm going to put an alert for Dogecoin over here. So we're going to just be printing these alerts today. My ears are going to be ringing today from all these alerts. Okay, so Dogecoin, let's see if we can break that. What are we looking at? What else are we looking at? We've got Cardano, Floki. We completely missed Floki. Let's have a look. Floki. All right, Floki, what are you doing, brother? Let's have a look. Okay, so if we have a look at Floki on the daily, we don't really have to look at the weekly. We already know what's happening on the weekly. Okay, so for the people that want to find out supports and resistance, very, very simple. Go to your daily time frame. And what you want to do is you want to see a level that price normally reacts at, right? So if you have a look over here, price is bouncing from this zone, right? Price is bouncing from this zone. Price is bouncing from this zone, and price is bouncing from this zone over here, right? So what do all of these zones have in confluence, right? What do they all have that's so important, right? They all have the same exact level, right? This is the bounce zone for Floki. Every single time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times we have hit the zone and we've bounced, right? So that's drawing support is really, really simple. It's drawing the accurate support that's really hard, right? So in order for this to hold, we need price to stay above this point. Whenever price taps into this level, we do see a bounce, right? Have a look over here. This is also support for Floki, right? This over here. If we draw this over here, oh, sweet crossing, bang. This is why alerts are so nice. Let's go to sweet. Okay, here we go. Bang, 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 bang. ICP is starting to rip down again. Beautiful trade that we took over here. This thing's about to rip. Okay, so we got SWE. So what I want to see for SWE, this is only bearish, guys, if SWE, and only if, this is only bearish if SWE, and only if SWE can break this low. If it holds this low, it's still bullish. Okay, so I just put an alert because I want to see a break of this low. I want to see a break of this low and then a retest of this high. But it doesn't look like we're getting that. Doesn't look like we're getting that. We need to see a break of the low, guys. This is currently support, right? Currently support. We need to see a break. Once we break this low, cool. Then we're gonna see a push. But right now, we're gonna have to put another alert. Okay, we're gonna come back to this. We're gonna come back to this. Because I think that squeeze at a daily resistance, it's at a 4-hour resistance. People love to squeeze over here. It's known for shorting, right? How can we see that? So easy, right? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every single time we tap into this level here, we see a massive push to the downside. So this move to the upside today, it could just be a massive fake out, which is something to watch out for, right? So just something to note, which is why I'll definitely be looking at a sell. I'll be looking at a sell for SWE, but let's see. We'll see what happens. Yeah. The 4-hour time frame, it closed above the 200-day moving average, but I don't know. I'm not really convinced. Not really convinced. If we get rejected from this level, then I think we can take these sells. But we need to see that 1 minute structure shift. I want to see that. I want to see a structure shift. I want to see a break of this level here because we broke this trend line over here on the 1 minute. Telling me that okay, we might be diverging down. But if we can just break this 1 minute support over here, come back up, retest over here, we're going to be in beautiful sells. So we'll see what happens for SWE. Not really interested in taking a long at resistance here, to be fair. Well, what else do we have? Bang, bang, bang. Dogecoin gone over. What's happening with Bitcoin? We've gone over our strategy for Bitcoin for the day. I think ICP, this is going to rip still. I'm still short ICP. I'm still short on ICP. Up around about 33% on this trade. Look how nice this is on CoinW now, guys. You can change this so you can see your orders. Have a look. So you can see that This is where I took profits. I took profit. My first take profit was over here. My second take profit was over here, and this is where I took the sell. It's quite nice. It shows you exactly where everything's happening. So all you have to do is click over here and click on all these buttons to the top. Make sure they're all checked. Okay. So we're gonna try to push this account. Okay, 10K. 10K is a little bit ambitious from 2K. Like, what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's a 5x on the account. But we can definitely try to get it to 4K. I mean, I've done that multiple times, flipping accounts. We're up 5% in 2 days, so we can definitely see a push. So yeah, if you guys did miss the short that we took this morning, don't worry. We will be taking a lot more trades today, and it's going to be crazy. I honestly think that we're going to get really, really good setups for the day. It's going to be quite cool. Okay, it's going to be quite cool. So ICP is starting to dump. SWE, here we go. So what I want to see for SWE, remember we're waiting for this. We're waiting for this. Bangarang. If we can break the support, beautiful. Come back up for a retest, and we can take some sells. So we might be getting some sells here, because we know that the 4-hour time frame is bullish, but it could just be a fake out, a shake out, and trying to trap everyone that's going to long. So I don't want to fall for that. Rather wait for confirmation. Like, of course, like if I'll be flipping bullish if this can come back up, start closing. Like if you look at the 15-minute time frame, it's a clear rejection. So if we can flip bullish and start closing back above here, then cool, we can take the longs. But I don't know, just not really interested until we see that. Okay, so thanks so much for joining, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, we go live every single day, sometimes twice a day, depending on how I'm feeling and how the market is reacting. We've got almost 20 people in here. If you guys can just like the stream, that'll be amazing. If we can get this up to there's 19. If we can get this up to 15 likes, that'll be amazing. I appreciate it. Okay, anyway, let's go back to our chart. So, okay, SWE's about to break the lows here. We have to look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's probably dumping, right? We're getting a bit of volume, which is beautiful. We love to see it. We love to see it. Oh, SWE just hit that beautiful sound. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Okay. All right. So guys, remember the game plan for the day for Bitcoin. This indicator here, I don't know why I don't know what this is. It's the market alpha. I didn't even put that there. I don't know what. I don't really know how to read it, but it's looking bearish. Okay, so Bitcoin's breaking lows here. Oof. Okay. Oh, guys, we're gonna get a sick trade. I can just see it. I can just see it. Okay, look at SWE. Look at this. This is so good. Oof. It might even just rip. We need to see a retracement here, but this is good. This is making me like, okay, we're flipping direction here. We broke the lows on the 1 minute. This is good. This is a nice structural change for SWE. Have a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, we are going to be looking at some sells. The 5-minute candle. Yeah, I mean, look at like what even is this price action? Like honestly, what even is this? It's terrible. This is looking really juicy. It's looking really juicy. Okay, I can really see some setups. Okay. So actually, I wanna look at INJ quickly, because we were looking at those longs earlier, guys. Do you guys remember we're looking at those longs for INJ? Yeah, look at that. I don't think that this is going to play out. I think the shorts are on the table right now. I think we're going to have to take a short here for INJ soon. So this is good. This is good. I like how this is reacting. This is beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is in 1 minute time, we're going to take setups here. And even Solana, because Solana would be getting rejected as well, right? Because we drew those levels. We drew those levels a little bit earlier today. Yeah. I don't think we're gonna get these longs. We may, but yeah, looking good. I'm loving this. Okay, and then what we want to do is now, because we've got all our analysis on all our charts, and now we have to wait for the 15-minute time frame to close, and then we can reanalyze, and then we can look at the setups and take them on the 1 minute. But we want to be looking at the USDT dominance. Have a look. It's up 1.48% today, and it's looking bullish, which is good for us, because if we want to take shorts today, then USDT dominance needs to be bullish, right? So if this continues to push up, bangarang, we're going to take some shorts. So I'm liking this. I'm liking this for USDT dominance. So let's have a look at the lower time frames, like the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. Let's see. I mean, the structure is just terrible, but have a look at this. If we can just break out of this today for USDT dominance, something like this, that'll be amazing. But yeah, so SWE, I want to see a little bit of a retracement here, but I'm going to be taking shorts, guys. SWE going to be taking shorts here. If you guys are new to the channel, thanks so much for joining. We go live every single day. Appreciate you guys for always joining. I know there's a lot of people that always here, which is amazing. But recently we've been getting a lot more people in, which is amazing. Oh my God, what's happening? Yeah, SWE's dumping. Okay, I think SWE's we've missed it. We've missed it. I don't think we're gonna get that. Okay, so let's have a look here. INJ. Yeah, I'm gonna take this fine. Is there any problem? Let's have a look at this. So the 15-minute candle did close respecting what is our stop loss? Our stop loss is going to be above here. We are going to have a nice 1.3% stop. TP, so we have a TP1 over here, bang, sitting over there. We have to break this low though. That's the reason why I want to enter now. I mean, to be honest with you, I should wait for this to break. Like I should wait for this to break over here. But I'm feeling like we're just going to dump. I want to get a good entry. So I'm going to put my stop loss above here, guys. I'm going to take the short right now. So we up 35% on that trade we took. So what is this called? It's called INJ. INJ. We're gonna risk not that much. We're gonna risk. I'm gonna risk like 4% on a 10x. Yeah, I'm gonna risk 4% on a 10x. Okay, we just entered a sell. For INJ, stop loss is gonna be at 17.28. So we want to come down over here. Stop loss. Whoops. Short. Yeah, what am I doing? What's happening here? Confused. What? Wait. What's happening? 17.28. Oh, minus. Oh, this is about ROI. Oh my God, that was so confusing. 17.28. So it's minus 14%. That's fine. Take profit. Where's take profit? Wait. It's going to be, first TP is going to be a 16.41. 16.41. That's a good setup. I mean, the risk to reward's great. It's almost a 2:1 bang. So we in sales, guys. So have a look. It's quite nice. So CoinW now gives you all those levels that you can see. So our stop loss is there. Take profit is down here. Bang. So we in the sell here for INJ. Yes, we shorting INJ. Yeah. Remember, if I want to run up this account, it's all about consistency, right? So my margin, let me just, I'll move, that's way too big. So my margin, I'm going like $78. Okay, so we're shorting INJ with the 10x leverage, take profits. We've just discussed on the chart. All the levels are there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We are in 2 trades. We took that sell this morning for ICP. We took most of our profits off. I just want to see if this can hit TP. So like the thing is, like what I like to do is, what I like to do is, if I take a trade, I'm gonna be taking profits all the way down. Like I will. It's just like how I've wired myself. But I'll always keep like a lot there just to see like if it does hit TP. I want to see if like my setup works in the end of the trade. You know what I mean? It's always good to just keep a little bit on the table to see if eventually we can see that sell off. So yeah, we took some sells, guys. We took some sells for INJ. Let's see if we can get it. I think it's a good setup with USDT dominance looking really nice. We should see a bit of a drip. Okay. Sweet. Yeah, we not we I don't enter Sweet though. Like I wouldn't enter Sweet here. I'd rather wait for Sweet to come up. I didn't have time to send this on the Signals channel. I'm sorry. Where can I see the trade setup? Yeah, I mean, sorry, I didn't have time to send this. I mean, on the Signals group. Maybe I can just do it now. Here's the trade, yeah. So stop loss is at 17.8. Sorry, 17.28. TP1's at 16.41, and then TP2 is going to be 16.05. This is the trade that I took right now, or like a couple minutes ago. Okay. Remember, OTC. It sounds like he's shouting that with the caps locks. I know that's how it's meant to be, but yeah, I'll go over LTC. Where is LTC? Like I said, LTC is more bullish today. So because I'm looking for sells for INJ, fine. But I do think that I will be probably taking a long for OTC a little bit later on today. Because I'm expecting like a retracement right now for most coins, but I think later on we might get a little bit of a pump. So OTC looking at a long around about like 66, which is still like another 2% drop, which is fine, right? So we've gone over OTC, we've gone over the setup. I will post this trade when it comes. Can you check Cloud USDT? Okay. So LTC, we're looking at a long back up to $74. It's broke out on the daily time frame. So it broke out on the daily, which is something to look at, but we had a strong resistance over here. Something to watch out for. Yeah, let's have a look. What do you want to see? Cloud USDT. I don't know what this is, but Looks like there's a lot of buying pressure. It's only been out for like a couple of days, right? Sorry, since July. All right. So if we look at cloud USDT, the daily time frame obviously getting a bounce, but we're still trading below this 21-day moving average, and we couldn't close above this resistance over here. Okay. So because we couldn't close above this resistance, this could potentially be a rejection zone. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, let's see if there's something a little bit more clear. Nothing really more clear. We do have this level over here that we could potentially look at for a break. Yeah, so it's forming a bit of a W pattern over here, which is quite nice. This could potentially break today. Cloud USDT. So this type of pattern, it's a W pattern. So normally we see like something like this. This could potentially be the scenario for cloud. If we can break above this level today on the 1 hour time frame, which is closing in the next 5 minutes, I don't think we can. But maybe later on we can close above here. We can look for longs a little bit later on. But I don't really. I'm only trading on CoinW at this point. But have a look at this. We could potentially get a long. I'm a newbie, still sucking eggs. We'll set up. That's funny, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's really funny. Still sucking eggs. No worries. If you need help, let me know. Check audio. I've been shorting since yesterday. No worries. Let's have a look. Oh. This was, I mean, I remember last week I took this short for Audi. That was so clean. You know, we've created a double top, which is bearish. Created a double top over here. The 4 hour time frame looking like still holding, which is okay. We have this level over here. So what I'll wait for, what I'll watch out for the day is this, right? What I'd watch out for the day is if we can break the support over here for Audi, we have a strong level over here. If we can just break this, so you've been shorting since yesterday, which is beautiful. So you probably got it like, I don't know, probably like over here or something. So what I'd wait for, if we can just break the support over here, then I do think that we can come back down. We have a fair value gap a little bit low over here. I don't really trade these gaps, but this could be a level to look at. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, Audi needs to break the support. If we look at the 30-minute time frame, yeah, have a look at this. It's forming a bit of a trend line. So, ooh, yeah, okay. So I've got it set up. We can break below over here. We can look for some sells there. Okay. So we'll see what happens, guys. See what happens. We are in a setup right now. We took a sell for INJ. To be honest with you, so we in these two setups. ICP short and then INJ short. Stop loss. We've got our stop loss above there. Take profits going to be down here. All the levels are shown right now. Bro, stream is lagging. Is it? I think I've just got too many tabs open, to be honest with you. Let's have a look back at sweep. Yeah, it is lagging a little bit. It's lagging a little bit. I do apologize. I don't know if we're gonna get this set up, guys, for SWE. I think we missed it. I think we missed it. Let's pretend that this is the bottom. We broke lows, right? Yeah, so I think for SWE, we have to wait for a retest of this level here because we did break. We just broke support. So I'll wait for this. I'll wait for this to happen. If we can just break support, so if we can just come back up. Yeah, it is lagging a little bit. It's a bit of do apologize. So are we just in shorts right now for those coins? Just for INJ, guys. INJ and ICP. This is the trade for INJ. Bang. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. The other trades that I've set up for the day, I will post it on the Telegram group. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end stream here, guys. There's not much to do. INJ getting rejected still, which is fine. You know, all the other coins I'm gonna have to wait for, and I will just chill here in this room and wait for those setups. And I'll post them in the Telegram group a little bit later. I do appreciate you guys watching. Of course, we might long INJ to 16.4. That's actually a good point. I think that's a good point. The problem is we didn't break these highs, which is not good. If we broke these highs, then yeah, I would probably look for longs. We still below this 200-day moving average. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'll let you know if I look for that. It is a good setup, maybe it's long there. But the first TP will be at 16.4. So we can take shorts until then, and then later on we can be like, okay, let's wait for that. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much for always being here, guys. What are the likes sitting at? If we can get the likes 15. What are they sitting at? They're still at 11. If we can get the likes at 15, that'll be amazing, guys. There's 16 of you guys in here. Bang, 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 bang. 4 times. Can get that up. Make sure you guys obviously join the Telegram group. Message me, DM me if you want to join. It's free to join. You just have to use my link. But yeah, all good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, I have a live stream a little bit later, 5 p.m. Dubai time. So in the next, what's the time? The next 4 hours. But I'll see you guys. USDT dominance looking good. If USDT dominance can break this trend line over here, make sure you draw this trend line on your own chart today. If we can break this trend line over here, that'll be amazing. But yeah, I'm gonna go chill out for a bit and let this. This is my Telegram ID. I'm gonna let this trade play out, see what happens. We've got our stop loss, take profits in for this trade. We'll see if it plays out. I do appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Bye-bye.